Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll take an easy, detailed look at how to create a Binance account and trade futures. Even beginners can do it easily. The official registration link can be found in the description section below this video. By signing up through that link, you can receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. Make sure to use that link to secure these advantages. First, let's learn how to sign up for Binance. When you click the link below the video, the Binance homepage will open automatically. After the page loads, you will see that the 20% fee discount is already activated. Also notice additional promotional rewards shown on the screen. At this point, you can choose to register using either your email address or your mobile number. Once you have entered your information, check the box to agree to the terms of service. Then click Continue to move forward. You will now need to complete a brief image verification step. Choose the image that matches the word displayed on the screen. After completing this, a confirmation code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the code you received to verify your registration. Next, create a password for your Binance account. Password must be at least 8 characters long and must be at least one uppercase, lowercase, and number. If a referral code input box appears, type SKY333. This activates special account-related benefits. You will receive the 20% trading fee discount plus additional bonus rewards. I strongly suggest entering the code before completing the registration. After finishing all these steps, your Binance account will be successfully created. Next, we will proceed to identity verification. KYC verification is required in order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Since this procedure includes face verification, we will continue using a smartphone. Download the Binance app and open it on your mobile device. Log in with the account you just registered. You will be automatically directed to the verification page. Begin by selecting your nationality from the list. For this example, I will choose India. Next, choose the identification document you would like to submit. In this example, I will proceed with passport verification. Tap Take Pictures to continue. Then press Continue to activate the camera. Position your passport clearly within the frame and capture the image. Ensure the photo is clear and free of glare or shadows. The next step is facial verification. Follow the on-screen guidance carefully. Once completed, your identity verification request will be submitted. Within approximately 1 hour, your verification status will change to verified. Now, let's enhance your account security with Google Authenticator. Open the account menu. Then go to Security. Select Manage. And enable the Authenticator app option. Enter the security code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will appear on the screen. Download Google Authenticator and open it on your smartphone. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your computer. A 6-digit verification code will then be generated in the app. Return to the Binance page and click Next. Input the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. This final step completes the setup of your two-factor authentication. Secondly, let's explore in detail how peer-to-peer trading operates on Binance. Begin by tapping the wallet icon positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. The spot wallet holds your funds for standard spot trading. On the other hand, the futures wallet is specifically designated for futures positions. At this stage, make sure you select the spot wallet. Next, tap Deposit in the top right area. From the options shown, select Buy with USD through peer-to-peer. Carefully review the terms and conditions shown on the screen and agree to them at the bottom. Tick the checkbox and press the button below to continue. To begin purchasing, switch to the Buy tab. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to acquire. USDT is typically more price stable and simpler to use than buying Bitcoin first. Now, choose your local currency and enter the amount you intend to purchase. After that, select your preferred payment option. A list of sellers currently available will then be displayed. For safety, prioritize sellers with a high number of completed orders. It is also recommended to check their ratings and completion percentage. Once you have selected a reliable seller, tap Buy USDT next to their profile. Before proceeding, read the seller's payment guidelines thoroughly. Enter the exact quantity of USDT you want to purchase. If all details are correct, confirm by pressing Buy USDT. On the following screen, the seller's name and payment details will be shown. Depending on the chosen payment method, a QR code may also appear. Before transferring funds, review any chat messages sent by the seller. Complete the payment using your selected method. After finishing the transfer, go back to the Binance page. Tap Transferred, notify seller to inform them the payment is done. Upload between 1 and 3 images as proof of payment. Then confirm your agreement by checking the confirmation box. Finalize this step by tapping Confirm. After a short wait, tap the wallet icon again. From the options shown, choose the spot wallet once again. You will now see that the USDT has been successfully credited to your balance. Third, let's go over how to trade futures. Before placing any futures trades, you must first transfer funds. Start by opening your spot wallet. Then click the transfer button located in the top right corner. Set the transfer direction from fiat and spot to USDM futures. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Input the amount you would like to move. Double-check the details and press Confirm. Within a few moments, the funds will be credited to your futures wallet. To begin futures trading, tap Futures in the top navigation menu. From the list, choose USDM futures. You will be taken directly to the futures trading screen. Tap the icon in the upper left corner to open the market selection list. Select the trading pair you wish to trade. On the right-hand side, you will see the order placement and position management panel. First, open the margin mode settings. In cross-margin mode, your entire available balance supports the position. In isolated margin mode, only the assigned amount is used for the position. For beginners, isolated margin is generally considered safer. Next, adjust your leverage settings. On Binance, leverage can be adjusted up to 150x. While higher leverage may increase gains, it also magnifies potential losses. If you are new, using 3 to 5 times leverage is more manageable. Select the order type below. A limit order allows you to specify your desired entry price. A market order executes instantly at the current market rate. Below this, you can check your available margin balance. In this area, set your entry price and position size. Now, choose your trade direction. If you expect the price to increase, tap Buy to open a long position. If you anticipate a decline, tap Sell to open a short position. To monitor your position, tap the Positions tab at the bottom. There, you can see the details of your open trade. Entry price indicates the average price at which you entered. Mark price reflects the current reference market price. If the market hits the liquidation price, your position will close automatically. P&L shows your real-time profit or loss. To manage risk, tap the pencil icon next to TPSL. Here, you can configure your take profit and stop loss levels. When you decide to close the trade, select the Market Close All option. Select either market or limit to close your position. After completing this action, your position will be fully closed. In this video, I walked you through the complete journey, from creating a Binance account to executing futures trades. Your support through likes and subscriptions greatly helps the growth of this channel. I sincerely appreciate you watching all the way to the